Good day, welcome to homeschooling. Our topic for today is all about addition of whole numbers. So the first example we have is 58 plus 7. So and then put the plus sign there, and then 8 plus 7 equals 15. And we have to bring down first, starting from the right. So 15 we have to bring down, then 5, and then carry the ones on the next digit. So and then we have 1 plus 5 equals 6. Then our final answer would be 65. And then the next example we have is 386 plus 48, and then put the plus sign there, and then 6 plus 8 equals 14. Bring down 4, and then carry the other number to the next digit. We have 1 plus 8 plus 4, we have 13. Bring down the 3, and then carry the other number to the next digit. And then we have 1 plus 3 equals 4. Then our final answer would be 434. The next example would be 3,886 plus 382, and then put the plus sign there, and then 6 plus 2 we have 8, and then 8 plus 8 we have 16. Bring down 6, and then carry 1 to the next digit. 1 plus 8 plus 3, we have 12. Bring down 2, and then carry the next number to the other digit. We have 1 plus 3 equals 4. Then our final answer would be 4,268. And then the next example we have is 38 plus 6. Then put the plus sign there, and then 8 plus 6 we have 14. Bring down 4, and then carry the other number to the next digit. So we have 1 there, and then 1 plus 3 we have 4. Therefore our final answer would be 44. And that's it. That's how easy it is to add whole numbers. Thank you.